People laugh at snoring. What we should be doing when people are snoring is crying and telling them, please fix this right now, because most likely if you don't, it's going to lead to some downstream health issues down the track. And it's also going to be robbing you from your energy in the morning. What's the number one cause of death in the United States? You know what it is? Heart health. What leads to heart issues? Lack of blood flow being able to work its way through all the 70,000 miles of blood vessels that we have in our body. What causes a lack of blood flow? Breathing out too much carbon dioxide. What does that do? It constricts the blood vessels.